guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Hannah. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I take down my box braids. I've taken these braids for like 5 weeks now. Yeah, 5 weeks. And if you know me, you know very much that I don't usually take my braids any time more than 4 weeks. Anything more than 4 weeks is an off for me. I'm actually quite impressed that I took my braids this long this time around. It's been actually irritating me, but fam, at this point I just feel like I cannot take it anymore. I just need to take off this hair, and yeah, I just thought to show you guys my process. So anyways, if you're interested in this, keep on watching, and if you're not interested, you can go ahead to watch my other videos, or just continue watching just to enjoy, Before we get into this video, do not forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell beside the subscribe button to know whenever I upload a new video. Do not forget to like, leave me a comment down below, and let's get into the video. Right now the time is 2:46 p.m. and let's see how far we're gonna, I don't know. For this I got just my loosening my parting comb. You can also use this for loosening your hair. I got the scissors to cut the braids, and I also got my laptop here. I'm gonna be watching something while I do this just to entertain myself. Oh yeah, I also have I got a trash bag, dustbin bag right beside me, so I'm going to be throwing these stuffs here because definitely don't want to mess around with here. No hair was cut. Let's just keep on going, shall we? I'm still loosening my hair now. It's just more comfortable for me to just drop the parting comb and just use my hand. The parting comb, I mostly like to use it in the tinier parts of the hair. The thicker part, which is towards the root, I feel I don't really need it. These braids I'm taking off, by the way, are knotless braids, in case you don't know. And I'm really curious to see how far my hair has grown, by the way. I don't know if my hair grew, but let's see. But I'm sure my hair is so dirty. I don't know if you can see this. Hopefully the camera can catch this, but I'll try to zoom in while editing. But guys, can you see this? Oh my god. This I don't like. This is why I don't like to keep my hair for more than 4 weeks, because this is what I don't like to handle. I don't like it at all. One thing I'm surprised about is that my hair is actually soft. I thought it would be extra dry and just misbehaving there. It's good. Tiny, and I can literally feel my hair pulling out. So I have to handle this part with care for sure. Alright guys, so I'm done with my hair finally. You can see it's 5:47. I just finished. Oh, that means it took about, let's say, 3 hours, because I started around 2, after 2 or so. I can't remember. I'll check the video again. I started around after 2 and now it's after almost 6. Actually it's 5:47, 48, yeah, 47. It's 5:47. So I'm tired. I'm definitely not going to be washing my hair today. I'm going to wash it tomorrow. So what I'm going to do now is prepare my hair, and there's gonna be a separate video. Actually, there were not so much build up, which I'm happy about. And I don't know if to you this is a lot of hair to lose while losing your hair, but for me it's not too much, but at the same time I don't like it. So, and one more thing, my hair growth, I can see definitely my hair grew. That's a good thing. My hair definitely grew, and I miss seeing my hair, just touching my hair, you know, all those things, the breeze that can finally also blow in, and ooh, it feels good, people. It feels good. I miss my hair, but unfortunately braids actually really do, it really helps. It makes me not to worry about what do I want to do with my hair tomorrow morning, or how do I style it. I have to wake up maybe 2 hours or 1 hour earlier just to be able to style my hair before going out. I'm all about that life. This is why whenever I have school or work or something, you know, I have to do daily, like right now that I have to be going to school, I just like to keep my hair in braids so that I don't worry about how I'm going to be styling my hair 2 hours before I go to somewhere. It's just too much stress for me. So that is it.